I'm Nigel Worchestershire, and I come from here. I'm a biologist. I travel far and wide capturing animals on film. I once wrestled a jaguar to the ground using only my bare hands. I stopped a stampede of raging wildebeest with only my sharp looks. I once tackled a chicken that thought it could steal my lunch. I'm Nigel Worcestershire, and this is nature with chest hair. $898, $899, $900 here! Sorry, I was just remembering the time I lit a match with a cigarette. We're in North America for today's documentary, and we'll be studying the reason I became a biologist. The elusive and the powerful, the mighty alpha male.
For thousands of years, the alpha male has been the dominant species of our planet. Recently, we found that their numbers have been dwindling. This population decrease has been found to be directly related to this new virus called feminitis. Basically what the virus does is it dumbs down the primal male instincts. About 90% of males around the world actually have a minor form of this disease, but even more severe cases have been noted. Some of the more extreme symptoms include an interest in crocheting, sudden interest in watching shows such as Will and Grace and Gilmore Girls, and wanting to shop at Macy's. Females are the carriers of the disease, and the alpha male can contract it from viruses which are commonly called cooties. The disease doesn't necessarily kill the alpha male, but rather leaves them an extremely effeminate shadow of their former self.
The scientists told us that if we want to find an alpha male, we have to find their diet. So we've gone to a local fast food outlet, Taco Bell. As you can see, I'm crouching behind the bushes now, but shh, I just spotted an alpha male. Let's take a closer look. Zoom in on that specimen. Look at how he devours the burrito, stuffing his face like a mongrel. Oh, the pride and the glory of it all. He is a true hero, a true alpha male, I tell you. But wait! Here is the insidious predator, the dreaded teenage girl, the girlfriend. Look at how she dabs his mouth and scolds his behavior. Disgusting. Foul. I've been watching the meet for a while, and our latest fears have been confirmed. It is indeed his girlfriend, which means he could have contracted an early stage of feminitis. I think they're about ready to leave.
Hey!
Alright, they're going. Let's follow them on the trail. Hello everybody, we've been tracking the alpha male through the safari in our jeep. You can see them out the window now. We've decided to name our test subject Austin. Look at how he twists and turns and weaves his way through the road. It truly is a sight to see. It's remarkable that people like this can even get their license. I think they're about to stop. Alright, we've just gotten out of the Jeep, They've stopped their car in front of his den, and it's only a matter of time before he takes her out and brings her into his home. Let's have a look. It's happening slowly now, but surely. Look at those muscles move, it's a thing of beauty. He's scratching his bum, is he? He's going to the other side. Oh, it must be worse than I thought. He's opening the door for her. This is disgusting. Once he takes her inside, he'll have feminitis in an uncurable stage. It's good that we get to see firsthand how this disease affects people. Look at her cling to him. Disgusting, despicable, parasitic behavior. They're going inside now. I think we'll go inside too. They carelessly left the door open. Let's go inside. Quietly now. Look at her as she feminizes his den.
Why don't you watch girls just want to have fun?
Football?
The kiss of death.
Aww.
Disgusting. Alright, we're still in the habitat. We've been observing the creatures for several hours now. It's roughly 10:30 p.m. Let's have a look. Look at how the alpha male sleeps rested upon his new female. She still remains ever alert to guard her territory. Let's sneak up closer and see if we can get a better look. Alright. It's getting very dangerous. If she spots us, we could be in grave danger. Let's get to look.
What in the name of Martha Stewart? Get out of my house!
Let's get out of here! Run, mate!
Don't come back!
Alright. That was terrifying, but we made it through. A victory today. We'll check up on them later.